Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Life Tommy C. I'm your host, Tommy Cunningham, waiting to talk about his so far morning, what he has done, like, like what I have thought about for today. And I got three things to say. Wow, wow, wow on the entire service there at the there at the there at the Excel Center. Everybody is so very nice. We got a nice tech champion who's now taken over for a director. And we also got a great new teacher. I'm in his class and I think he is really nice. Sadly, sadly, I don't know what the radio frequencies are there, so I can't tell you. But their radios, they look really interesting. Their radios has like Channel 1 on the bottom. And and then after that there's like so many like different radio stuff for like different people. And and then after that there are like like a couple of radio stuff for like different people. So like so like you so like you guys can also look at radioreference.com and click on the Indianapolis area. And then after that, you guys can look around and click on various businesses, and all the way at the bottom at the other businesses, they got Goodwill, Essentials, Indianapolis campus, and 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 then after that and then after that there is like there's like two different radio stuff for two different people. Like, I would recommend if you guys go up there to Niagara Falls, I recommend you guys bring like a Baofeng UV5R, just in case if you guys do like radio stuff there. And then after that, there's like so many like different radio frequencies. Like, once you guys get across the Canadian border, you guys would not even find out like what kind of radio stuff. Like for the Niagara Falls region, they got they got their own police force. But sadly it's encrypted, so that means you guys can't listen to it. But that's okay, because they got Niagara Falls Fire, they got St. Catherine's Fire, and they also got a fire department called West Niagara Fire. and and then after that you guys have like have like different options of like radio stuff in like the Disney area. The Disney area has like an operations, and they also use the Reedy Creek primary for communication, and the Orange County Sheriff's Office uses their communications for them. And and then after that, you guys. So plus also what I recommend you guys go look up, like once you guys get there, I recommend you guys go walk around like Washington D.C. And then after that, like once you guys get down there, take the Metro Rail over there because the Metro Rail is like a really nice ride. It kind of reminds you of. It kind of reminds you of like the stuff over there at the Indianapolis airport, like when the planes taxi. And and then and then after that, you guys have like a couple like different radio stuff. You guys can go look around. Plus also, plus also, you guys can go look at once you guys get over there to Niagara Falls. Like once you guys check in into a hotel, I recommend the hotels that have like the. I recommend you guys check in like the hotels of like the Days and of the Falls because you guys would not regret me on how nice the service is there. And even like if you guys go over to the Canadian side, the Crown Plaza, that one is a definitely, like once you guys get down there, you you guys have to go look at the different Rio stuff down there. And then after that, you guys got so many like different Rio stuff to go look around at. Like over at Disney's California Adventure, they got their own kind of radio frequencies and stuff. And then after that, you guys have like so many like different stuff you guys can go like look at. And then after that, plus also in like another Christmas idea, if you guys would like, you guys can either go. Plus also, you guys can go like look around at like the different places like there and in like Los Angeles. You got you guys can look at like the different Walt Disney World stuff there at the Rio Reference. And which I would recommend you guys do is go over there to like the Rio Reference before you guys even think about going to like your new place. And then after that, you guys gotta go look around at like the different radio stuff of like different people. Plus also to show you guys my next video. Not this because this is the dumbest commercial. So that's what it looks like in North Korea. Plus also you guys can like walk around the different radio frequency places because alright guys, goodbye. If you guys are not subscribed, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you guys would not miss my videos. Thank you. Goodbye.